So, Thomas's car. He has a wedding coming up next Friday. So he's called me. He's like, I need an update on my car. So I just sent him an update on the car. And this is what I sent him. He called me back in 2 seconds panicking. He says, how are you gonna get this car done by next Friday? And as everybody knows, this is a 4th of July weekend, so we're closed on Friday, long weekend. So the guys are gonna stay late. We have most of this car is gonna get the full Bespoke Duke Dynamic kit on it. The full race exhaust, including the downpipes. So it's gonna be a lot of work. In order to get into these downpipes, you literally need to take the whole entire back end of the car off. Fronts over here, you got the whole back end off. Head technician and shop foreman Ryan is the one who's gonna actually do the work on the car. Once we install the downpipes and get all that part done, then we're gonna start building the rear end, put all the factory component back on. The front hood is in the paint. This is a factory matte paint, so it's gonna take us some time to get the sheen and the color dialed in for the hood. That part is done. All the rest of the parts will get clear coated in our paint department. We have one part that is still left over, which is the front lip. We strip all the factory clear coat off, and we spray our own PPG clear coat over the parts to make sure that it lasts and it get the UV coating on it for any discoloration. That's the last piece. These are the rest of the parts which already get done. Next week from Monday, literally to end of the day Thursday, everybody's gonna be on this car. MV Forge getting our wheels done. It should be here on Wednesday. The tires just arrived yesterday, so the next week is gonna be game time for Thomas. You know, he's panicking. He has his wedding coming up, but we're not gonna let him down. Boys are all in.
Promise that.
Yeah, boys are all in. We're gonna be on this car until it's done. You know, I'm not gonna do any of the work but the boys are on it.
All right, so this does look far from completion. So Ryan, what is the game plan on this car right here?
So this will be my first time doing the downpipes on the Revuelto, but basically I'm gonna disassemble it from the back forward, go all the way through all the heat shields, and shouldn't be too crazy. It should be pretty relative to the Aventadors.
Now that we have one of the downpipes in, I went ahead and laid out the factory downpipe right next to the other side to give you guys a little bit of a comparison. We are installing a race system, meaning that there are no restrictions. While I am over here on this Revuelto, I want to show you guys one more thing we have in store. We just got these wheels in from AO13. They are a carbon barrel with a gloss black face. Now, if you're watching this and have an exotic vehicle and you're looking for a set of wheels, we are dealers with AO13 and MV Forged. If you want to get yourself a nice, beautiful set of wheels just like these ones, feel free to email us at info@creativebespoke.com to get your hands on a fresh set of wheels. Really nice touch that AO13 added to these particular wheels is this blue center cap. These blue center caps are going to tie in with the interior of this Revuelto. We are also going to be painting the calipers front and rear to blue to also tie into the interior. With the little touches of blue on the outside and the inside, this car is going to turn out insane.
Alright, so one of the big things is like taking this off, people think is crazy. Literally, it's nothing bad. It's so easy to take off. It's literally 2 bolts on the side, 2 bolts on that side. These small ones right here, I think there's like 4 or 5 of them, 6 of them here. And the main ones are these 2 big ones right here. To get to these ones, you gotta like move the whole The vent that's here, you got to pull that out. It's simple, really simple, nothing crazy. Other than that, yeah, this thing is easy to take off. I mean, it looks like when it's your first time doing it, it looks hard, but it's not. Anybody can do it. Even Braden can do it. He records stuff.
So finally, after almost a week of Ryan living inside this engine bay, we got the downpipes in. It was absolutely a ton of work. The whole back end of the car had to come up. It was a pain in the ass. This is our first round of changing downpipes on a Revuelto, so we had to take our time, learn exactly how it goes in and out. But it's in. So we're about to start the car here in about a few minutes and write a diagnostic on it, make sure everything's solid. Customers flying in tomorrow at 10 a.m. is going to be here. So by the time they go check in a hotel, we'll be here around noon. They're getting married, so they want to have the car at the wedding on the 20th. So the guy's been staying late and finishing everything up. The front is done. The only thing left is a PPF, but all the front end is pretty much dialed, all the side skirts in. The only things left right now is the rear bumper, light blades, and then after the light blades are the car will be done. The hatch needs to go in with the, so that's all prepared, ready to go in, and we're pretty close. So the guy's gonna stay late, they're gonna come in early, we're gonna get it done, have the car on the ground. AL13 Dymag wheels are in, they look amazing on the car. We color mat the calipers to the ring and obviously to the interior of the car. As you see, has the touch of blue. I love this blue. I wish the whole interior was blue, but that's something we can definitely do for the customer if they want. We're close, stay tuned. We're gonna fire it up and see how it goes.
Nice, looks clean. Close a little bit this gap. Make sure the ball side looks even and ready to go.
So hey guys, one thing working on these cars, these hybrids, I mean, yeah, more like hybrids, right? Yeah, hybrids. You see these orange lines right here? And if you look down here, what happens here, if you mess around and find out, say goodbye to your job, because that's the last time you'll be working anywhere. That's why we play everything carefully. Hasta la vista, baby.
Seriously. Okay, the car is done. All right, everybody stayed late until 2:30 a.m. I think last night to get the car done. Customer landed last night. They wanted to come at 10. I told them I'm busy. Come at noon. I call them and say I'm busy. Come at 2. I call them I'm busy. Come at 3. So they're on their way here. We literally just put the car on the ground. Okay, we're gonna park it in the showroom. We're gonna cover it up, and him and the wife are here. Well, future wife. They're gonna get married in about 10 days on the 20th. So we have 9 days to dial the car in. That will probably take about a day, and then put it on the truck for them. So we're gonna start the car. Go ahead. The car sounds wicked.
You ready?
1, 2, 3, go for it.
Wow.
Looks amazing, huh? Calipers turn out amazing.
Yeah, the
We're
wheels
putting
look
this.
good.
Yeah, the wheels are amazing. We're gonna put the tiny little stripe through here.
Okay.
Other than that, the car sounds freaking gnarly.
It looks good.
Gnarly.
You guys
yeah.
did a great job.
Yeah, thanks.
It looks awesome.
Yeah. They really worked their butt off. My shop foreman Ryan, that guy, man, he's a beast, man. He lived in your engine bay for a week. Like a little bird.
All right, let's
Okay.
start it up. Let's
Yeah.
see what it sounds like. Hopefully it sounds better than it did.
Fucking A! Fucking A!
That's fucking awesome.
It's gnarly.
It's so
It's
loud.
fucking so sick.
Oh
I
yeah.
know. We can't wait to do some videos with this car, man. It's gonna be freaking
That's awesome.
crazy.